Based on the reliable source of the consumer, today we have raided the Bajrangbali shop, wherein we have seized the gas cylinders and the accessories. On the side packages, month and year of manufacture was not there, and on some packages MRP was not there, which is in violation of Legal Metrology Act 2009, read with Legal Metrology Package Committee Rule 2011. The said raid was led by Shubhat D'Costa, Inspector Legal Metrology Ponda, assisted by myself, Nitin Purushan, Assistant Controller Legal Metrology South Zone 1, Sri Demu Mapari, Assistant Controller Legal Metrology Central Zone.
What is the cost of this?
Basically, the cost will be roughly around lakh. In continuation with the said raid, similar raid was carried out at Jamleshwar Appliances, and we have seized their Oscar Auto Gas Stove, RTC LPG adapter, and other accessories. If you see the package, there is no declaration about the name and complete address of manufacturer or packer. Month and year of manufacturer or pre-packing is not there. Very important, MRP is also not there. And in case of consumer complaint, nowhere it is mentioned the customer care number, whom to contact in case of consumer complaint and all.
This is costing?
Costing will be around 20,000. It will be continued.